menacing light heavyweight titleist Sergey "Crusher" Kovalev has become one of the most feared and avoided fighters in boxing since arriving on American soil only 5 years ago. He'll be back in the ring on November 19 in Las Vegas against Andre Ward in a must-see showdown on HBO pay-per-view. Here now, Sergey Kovalev's greatest hits.
This guy is a mean fighter.
Sinister. The most sinister presence in the ring of anyone in boxing.
He looks to throw the big bomb. He looks to throw the
大家好，老师从业中医男科30余年，帮助了数千名海内外华人朋友通过中药调理重回男性雄风。如果你也存在房事时间短、勃起无力、硬度差、中途疲软、肾虚、前列腺炎等问题，现在就加中医老师微信574-993-200，纯中药，一人一方，治根治本，帮助你持续坚挺20至40分钟，补肾壮阳，延时助活，彻底告别快男软男。记住微信574-993-200。
Knocking cleverly back.
Caparello seems to have his wits about him, motioning Kovalev in.
Not too smart to motion Kovalev in like that with your back against the ropes.
Well, this has been one hell of a light heavyweight fight so far.
Kovalev wants to knock him out. He's ambitious. He's taking risks and giving Bernard a chance. And now he gets hammered by a left hook by Kovalev, and Pascal's in big trouble. Chilemba's hurt again.
Oh, that jab again, Jim, and the body shot. That jab causes all kinds of chaos.
Kovalev hammering Bernard Hopkins from pillar to post.
In comes Kovalev, looking for openings. Caparello down again and waved off.
Lands a right hand, does Mohammadi. And now eats a right hand, and another right hand. And Mohammadi's in trouble, and down he goes. And he got caught on the temple with a right hand. Hard left hook by Kovalev, momentarily stunned cleverly. Comes back with another barrage, trying to go to the body. The further weakened cleverly after that big left hook. Hard right hand, and down goes cleverly.
Oh, good shot.
Another solid right hand to the left side of the head by Kovalev. Hard right hand by Kovalev. Down goes Salak. That's what makes Sergey Kovalev special. Thunderous, straight-on right-hand power. Kovalev comes back, and that'll do it. That's the end of the fight. 50 seconds into round number 2. Big right hand. Pascal's over the rope. And there's another knockdown. Kovalev with one more big rally. He lands a right and a left hook. Down goes Hopkins on the first solid right hand that Kovalev threw. He has extraordinary power. He's done. Kovalev has another knockout. What a right hand, and Luis Pabon's going to stop it right away. When you land a flush right hand like that, and it's Sergey Kovalev who's doing the throwing, that's dangerous.
Looks like he just broke Mohammadi's nose, and it looks like Mohammadi may be done.
And that is knockout number 25. Kovalev is clinically in command here. And at this point, the outcome of the fight is just a matter of time. Too much. This is too much, and Sergey Kovalev made it look easy. Don't miss Sergey Kovalev versus Andre Ward, November 19, live on HBO pay-per-view.